everyone, I'm here to do a quick unboxing reveal of the latest Crafter's Companion monthly craft kit. This one is Penny Sliders. It is number 35 in the series. It says there's 195 elements. There's a little mouse and a little unicorn, and technically, and a little dolphin. You could technically, if you had any small little critters in the same size range, you could put whatever you want on there. They do have additional styles on their website. Their monthly craft kits are always introducing a new concept, and so then people can come and decide if they want to do the same. I know that the one I purchased was the little monkey one here, because I thought if nothing else it gives me a little downhill shape that I could use with my hedgehog too. So basically this is the kit. It comes with 24 blank cards and envelopes. Those are in size 6x6, 5x7, and 4x6, I believe. And so let's go through what all the kit comes with besides that. Alright, first off, it comes with dewdrops. And I love these. You can use them for water. You can use them for splashes. You can use them for droplets of rain or droplets on a glass. So a lot you can do with the dewdrops. Then it comes with the die mechanism, where you could do your slider inside there, and then each of the three animals, the dolphin or porpoise and the unicorn and the little mouse. Then it comes with some stamps for your animals, along with some accessory stamps and a couple of sentiments. The sentiments are: wishing you such a happy day, you deserve a treat, wishing you oceans of joy, and I believe in you. Then it's got some different ocean decorations along with a little fish, a rainbow for your unicorn, and a little cupcake for your little mouse. Surprised we didn't have a little cheese, but looks like maybe a little chocolate chip for him too, so that's good. And some little bubbles and some little hearts. So that's what comes on the stamps. And like I said, your card blanks. Then the other thing it has is your printed and your solid paper. And I went ahead and opened this since they do their new little polka dotted envelopes. I save those, but they don't make for much of a reveal when all you see is the envelopes. So I went ahead and took them out and spread them out so that you could see the prints and the color way of this particular set. So it looks like we're mainly looking at yellows, a little aqua, and some peachish and pinkish. So up here we have a reddish, kind of an orange, a peach, the aqua, and a mustard yellow. And then in the print, we've got a pinkish, peach, aqua, a mix, and this is in a chevron. And then you have kind of checkered box and a peachish orange on this one, and more of a pink polka dot on this one. And that's your colorway on it. So that is the Penny Sliders craft kit. It is the kit for May, I believe is how it's classified. And it's by Crafter's Companion. It is kit number 35. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to stay tuned. And hopefully I'll have some examples of these before long. Take care. Bye-bye.